everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be me turning myself into CARIAD. So today we do the pink under eye and we do the underpainting, literally, which is from the queen herself, Miss CARIAD. I love her makeup, I love her pink under eye on her. Wasn't sure if I was going to like it on myself, and I do like it. It's not my favourite thing in the world, but I do actually quite like it. And the underpainting, that's a different story. I'm not sure I really like that. I'm not sure I can get behind it, but I thoroughly enjoyed filming this video and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into this CARIAD inspired makeup. Right, let's get this hair back. I first do need to say I am poorly, so my voice sounds like, oh, I don't even know, I just sound so different, so I'm so sorry if that bothers you, but I am ill. We're first going to do brows. CARIAD always does her brows first, and I always do as well, to be honest, so this is not a different step in my routine, and I'm going to be using the Unicorn Bear brows. Just taking the brow balm on a little spoolie, and I'm just going to run these through. I'm not going to do my brows the same as CARIAD. I mean, I have titled this video as turning myself into CARIAD, but the steps that we're going to be doing is the underpainting and the pink under eye. Okay, I'm not going to lie, that's not the best brow because I have a spot right in the arch of my eyebrow, so it's not really like covering that well. Whilst I'm doing my brows, I thought I would give you a little announcement. I am going to attempt and do Vlogmas. I don't know how it's going to go. I'm terrified, I'm nervous, I feel like I'm not good enough to do that, but I feel like it's an exciting thing and I really want to give it a go. So I made a list last night. I can't speak. I made a list last night, Jesus Christ, of all of the video ideas that I'm going to do. And basically, if I have like a really interesting day planned, then I'll just do that and vlog that, obviously. But if not, I wanted to have like video ideas to film on those days if I would literally just be doing nothing or doing like a really boring day, because obviously that's not going to be fun to vlog. So that's my plan, and I'm hoping it's going to go well. I mean, I've never done it in my life. I feel like the editing and the filming is definitely going to take a toll because it is quite a lot. It's more the editing side of things that takes longest for me anyway. But saying that, I do really enjoy editing. So, I don't know, I'm going to give it a go. If I can't do it, that's okay. But we're going to try it, and I hope you guys are excited for that. Let me know in the comments if it is something that you even want from me. If you're like, no, I don't want to see you every day, do not do Vlogmas. Fair enough. Okay, now we are into the CARIAD. Here we go. So the first step is to do the underpainting. Now, I know that she uses the Pink Honey bronzer, and I also have the Pink Honey BFF face frosting. This is from Pink Honey, and we take this, I believe she takes it on a brush, and we take it in all the areas that we would normally contour, and we do this first. I know that she does this first. This is just so weird to me to not go in with the foundation first, but we're just going to go for it. I'm just going to take this is on the Peaches and Cream brushes. I'm going to use Peaches and Cream brushes today. This is the PC08. And I know she goes in quite heavy-handed with this as well. So we're just going to take this, where we would usually do a cream contour. Now, this is going to look so orange, and I know that it looks orange when she does it at the start as well. So I am going to really try to trust the process. Shit. I actually want this to look nice because I'm then going out after this. So, oh God. I really want it to actually look alright. Okay. Right. The thing that worries me is, don't I need, like, surely I need foundation underneath it for the coverage. I know this is quite full coverage, but if you were using something to underpaint that wasn't full coverage, I don't know if it would still give the same effect, you know? I'm now just putting this on my forehead and on the sides of my face. Like, this isn't gonna cover these spots. I mean, to be fair, foundation probably wouldn't either, but it would make me feel like it's doing something more than just bronzing, you know? Okay. I do like the idea of not having as many products on certain parts of your face. I just don't know how I'm going to get on with it because I don't use a lot anyway. If like you watch any of my makeup tutorials, I really don't go in with a lot of products, so I don't like cake my face in makeup anyway, not that that's a problem. But I do have like quite light coverage things anyway. Like this, that's not, can you see? That's not gonna like cover those spots. And I need foundation to do that. And I know CARIAD takes it right down her nose. I don't like it, I'm not gonna lie, the whole brown nose thing, but I know that's what she does, so we're going with it. She puts it under her chin as well. It really suits her, but I don't know how it's gonna work on me. Not gonna lie. Okay. I think I've put it in all of the places. I'm just gonna do a bit on the jawline that she normally would. It does feel quite nice to start with contour, I must say. It does feel quite like I'm already ahead in my makeup. More than I am. Okay, next I believe we take the foundation and then blend this into the contour. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Luminous Silk Foundation. This is in the shade 095. And obviously this is then your skin tone. I'm going to blend this in like underneath the contour, everywhere that we're not going to then put cream, blush and concealer, I think. So I'm just going to take some. Oh god, I'm actually really worried I'm not going to pull this off, you know, guys. And I'll then just have to take my makeup off and do it all again. So I know that she takes it under her jaw. Under her jaw? This isn't under her jaw. Under, what am I saying? Cheekbone area. Honestly, I think this illness is just like taking my brain with it. And we're going to pat this around the chin as well. Take this all around here. Okay, okay. I'm seeing it coming to life more. Now I'm blending that in. The only thing with me is that Pink Honey bronzer is very orange, and I'm not a big fan of that. So I need it to be able to be like taken down a little bit. And I'm also not sure about this contour underneath the lip, to be honest with you. I'm just not sure what we're gonna do when we get to the nose. Like, how do we make that, how does she make that go from this to a lovely nose contour? I think she just leaves it and then puts the pink up on the sides. I don't really know. Right, I'm taking the foundation again on the forehead. Right, where else would we put it? I think that would then be it, right? Because she then puts concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit more here and on my spots, but she then goes in with pink. Then we do the pink under eye. Right, come on, we've got this. Okay, okay. And then she takes it right up to her brow, blending this into that cream contour. Right, I'm sorry, but that forehead actually, I think has actually gone quite well. I think that's gone quite well. Right, let's pull this back a little bit then, shall we? Let's try and blend this better. I'm just blending out the bottom a little bit more and taking that, because I don't like how harsh it is. And I'm gonna just take that down on the nose a little bit, just so it blends in. Now for the pink under eye, I know that CARIAD either, I feel like at one point she used just a P. Louise base. At one point CARIAD used a P. Louise Cheek of It blush, just that underneath her eye, and then I feel like she also then would mix it with her bright concealer, and she'd then like mix the pink in with it, and then she'd use a darker shade of the pink for her cream blush. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? The shade that I normally use for my cream blush is the P. Louise Legally Lavender one, but obviously this is more on the lilac side, so we're gonna use the Legally Pink as the under eye pink eye. And then for the cream blush, we're going to use Princess Treatment, which is a darker pink. We're going to do a dot, and we're going to do a dot. I'm going to need a bit more on that one. Because this looks, I know this looks really scary, and I use it on my clients and then it turns into like a really light pink. It looks really bright, but it's not. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to add a little bit of my bright concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 03. And we're just going to add some on the inner corners, maybe? I don't know. And then we're going to add the... Oh, I haven't used this one yet. She's fresh. The P. Louise Princess Treatment Cream Blush for my actual blush. She's coming. Honestly, every time, why do they do that? They have quite a lot of air in them. I'm not going to lie to you. Now, I would never use a blush this bright, but because the pink under eye, look at me, oh my god. I'm gonna take the brush, this is the PC19 from Peaches and Cream, and we're gonna blend this out. I don't know where to even start, but we're just gonna start. Guys, I'm scared. I'm actually scared. No. No, it can't look like this. It honestly can't. It's not even the under eye that's bad, it's this blush. I don't like how dark this blush has gone. Now, CARIAD would probably absolutely love this, and she would be able to pull this off, like she'd actually look amazing. But that on me, I'm not a fan. I'm gonna try and take the foundation brush and just blend out this bit a little bit more. And try and blend that cream bronzer into the blush as well, just to kind of make these lines a little bit less harsh. I feel like they're looking very harsh right now. Oh god. I mean, it's not giving me the brightening effect that I wanted to. Maybe the shades that I'm using are too dark. I'm not really sure. I'm going to try and add some more of my usual concealer, because this is not going well. I'm just going to pat in my concealer, because I understand we want this to be pink. We want this to be pink. I want this to be pink. But not this pink, okay? Not this pink. That looks a little bit better. That looks better. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know how I feel about this. We're going to add some powder because I need this to pull through. I'm going to take my powder puff and my, what is this? Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pancake. And we're going to set underneath the eyes. And I'm hoping this is going to brighten, tone down the pink, and make it then a little light pink show. I'm just taking this everywhere, honestly everywhere, where we've put like foundation, concealers. Okay, and I'm gonna set everywhere else where I've put that foundation, underneath the contour, around my mouth, my chin. My question to CARIAD is, how the hell do you pull this off? How the hell does she make this look good? I'm now going in with my bronzer. This is the NYX bronzer in the shade Medium. I just don't understand. Like, she actually makes it look so good. I have not. I have massively failed at that. I'm just going to take my pink highlighter. Oh god, I need to blow my nose. I can't breathe. I'm going to take my pink highlighter, which is the Get Gorgeous highlighter, and I'm just going to put this where I usually would on my cheekbones and take it up to my brow bone. I'm going to finish off my eyes and I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, I have just finished off my eyes and my lips. I've done a kind of similar thing to what CARIAD would usually do. She usually goes for a matte nude brownie lip, and we've done a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. This is the finished look. We did underpainting and we did a pink under eye. I'm giving you a little close up so that you can see the makeup for yourself. But my honest thoughts are, I thoroughly enjoyed the process of the underpainting and the pink under eye. I think it looks a lot better than I thought it would. Genuinely, I thought I was going to hate it and I don't hate it. I just don't love it to do it again every single day. I think the pink under eye is a cute moment. I love it and I would do it every now and then if I fancy like a little cute makeup look. I think it does look really cute. But the underpainting for me, it feels like kind of like no better than what I usually do on my makeup. And I also think that when my skin is bad, which it usually is, it doesn't really give me enough coverage. However, if I am having a good skin day, maybe I would use it. But I have thoroughly enjoyed trying to turn myself into CARIAD and doing a pink under eye and underpainting. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video, and hopefully I will see you in Vlogmas. Bye.